Yeah, that was amazing. Look at that.
I think she's
Wow,
mad.
dude.
It's setting her, don't you? She thinks you're a treat.
Where does she even see it,
Look at that.
Oh,
Hi,
look
baby.
at that little bird over there.
She wants this.
No,
Wants to play. I'm
Mama.
not going to
Look
let
at
her
that.
have it. She just, ooh, she's mad. Okay.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
That's why I come here. I wish you get a membership and come here all the time. Sarah, you're making me worried. Don't get near her.
Holy freaking crap, man. Hi, baby.
Hi. Do you like this too? She wants to play. She's like a cat, right?
Wow, that's impressive. That is beautiful. Oh, there's another one.
Ooh, that's the male, right?
It looks pretty
That looks like the male. Ooh.
alpha.
Whoa. Ooh. He's like, come on, I'm in the mood.
I'm in the mood.
Isn't he gorgeous? Look at, that's the daddy one, huh? You got a mommy and a daddy.
He's beautiful.
They like you.
Which one's the daddy?
Whoa. Don't get near that cat, Claire.
I've never seen anything like this. No.
He likes this
Those are
thing.
secure, right?
She wants to play with this. Wow. Oh my gosh, she's trying to tear that thing off so she can get to us. Would she not just freak out if she just did that?
Yeah.
What would
Mommy,
we do?
where do the kitties even go
The,
potty at? Mommy, where do the kitties
Maybe we should
even
keep
go
moving.
potty at, Mom? Where? Mom,
Yeah.
where do the kitties even go potty at?
Oh my gosh.
Where?
They go potty in there somewhere. I don't think they have
It's
a...
amazing.
I want to show something.
One of these days, he's like, I'm
That one on the left is cute as heck.
Yeah,
Isn't she?
yeah, the male.